Now I would like to call Uqbaqa, daughter of Ataullah, from 6th class. Her topic is Importance of Education in Islam. Please come on the dais and speak a few words on importance of education in Islam.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Nahmadu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem, amma ba'd. Honorable judges, respected teacher, and my dear brothers, mothers and sisters. On this special moment, I want to express the importance of education in Islam. Allah Ta'ala says in Quran, قُلْ هَلْ يَسْتَوِي الَّذِينَ يَعْلَمُونَ وَالَّذِينَ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. Can those who have knowledge and those who do not be alike? Seeking knowledge is mandatory on every Muslim boy and girl. A child without education is like a bird without wings. We should educate yourselves. We should educate your children. The first word revealed in Quran was Iqra. That means read. Seek knowledge, educate yourself. Be educated. At last, one most important thing is always pray to Allah as Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a. Oh Allah, I ask you for knowledge of benefit. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.